Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 6, Helen Keller. In our last video, we have discussed this story and we have completed related this activity. So now today we will start our work in Marigold workbook. So here some question given. We have to try to give their answers. Okay. So let's see. First one, answer the questions. That means here are some questions. So let's see. First one, something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? Something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? So answer is Helen could not see or hear. Second one, through Helen could not see or hear. What kind of girl was she? So answer is though Helen could not see or hear, she was a bright girl. Third one, what did some people think? Why? What did some people think and why? So answer is people thought that Helen could not learn anything because she could not see or hear. Next one, what did Helen's mother think about her? What did Helen's mother think about her? So answer is Helen's mother thought that Helen was very smart. Fifth one, why was Helen a wild girl? Why was Helen a wild girl? So answer is Helen was a wild girl because she would not comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty and she was often angry. Sixth one, who agreed to help Helen? Who agreed to help Helen? So answer is Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. Seventh one, how did Miss Sullivan help Helen? How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? So answer is Miss Sullivan used special hand sign to teach words to Helen. Next one, which was the first word that Helen learned to spell? Which was the first word that Helen learned to spell? So answer is the first word that Helen learned to spell word was D-O-double-L, doll. D-O-double-L, doll. Ninth one, did Helen like Miss Sullivan? Why? So answer is yes, Helen liked Miss Sullivan because she was strict but she was kind. 10th one, what did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? So answer is when the teacher put Helen's hand into running water, she understood that water means something wet running over her hand. When the teacher put Helen's hand into running water, she understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. Last one. What did Helen finally understand? What did Helen finally understand? So answer is Helen finally understood that words were the most important things in the world and that they would tell her everything she wanted to know. Again one more time. Helen finally understood that words were the most important things in the world and that they would tell her everything she wanted to know. Okay, now second exercise, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here some question given, each question has 4 options, we have to find correct one. Okay, so first one is Helen could not dash. Helen could not dash. Options are see or hear, walk or talk, see or walk or hear or talk. So which is the correct one? Yes, she could not see or hear. Option A is correct one. So here we write letter A in this box. Then second one, Helen could not see or hear. She was a desk girl. Options are good, lazy, bright, dull. Which is the correct one? Yes, she was a bright girl. So here we write letter C in this box. Third one, people thought that Helen days. People thought that Helen days. Options are could learn, could not learn anything, could speak, could see. So which is the correct one? Yes, option B, could not learn anything. So people thought that Helen could not learn anything. So here we write letter B in this box. Now fourth one, Helen grew up to be a desk girl. Helen grew up to be a desk girl. Options are naughty, good, nice or wild. Which one correct? Yes, wild. Helen grew up to be a wild girl. So here we write letter D. Then fifth one, Days agreed to help Helen. Days agreed to help Helen. Options are Helen's father, Helen's mother, Miss Sullivan, Miss Keller. So which is the correct one? Yes, Miss Sullivan agreed to help Helen. So here we write letter C. Next one, the first word that Helen learned to spell was, options are doll, pole, ball or hole. Yes, which one correct? Option A, doll. The first word that Helen learned to spell was doll, D-O-double-L. So here we write letter A in this box. Seventh one, Miss Sullivan was days. Options are lazy but kind, strict but kind, lazy but unkind, strict but kind. So which is the correct one? Yes, she was strict but kind. So D1 is correct. So here we write letter D in this box. Now next one, eighth one, Miss Sullivan put Helen's hand into running water and spelled days. Miss Sullivan put Helen's hand into running water and spelled days. Options are doll, water, run, running. Which one correct? Yes, water. So here we write letter B. Then ninth one, Helen understood that days were the most important things. Helen understood that days were the most important things. Options are words, signs, dolls, books. Which one correct? Yes, words. So words were the most important thing. So here we write letter A. 10th one, a person who cannot see is days. A person who cannot see is days. Options are lame, blind, mute, deaf. So which one correct? Yes, a person who cannot see is blind. So here we write letter B in this box. Now 11th one, a person who cannot hear is deaf. A person who cannot hear is deaf. Options are lame, blind, mute, deaf. So which one correct? Yes. So here we write deaf. Letter D. Okay, now question number 3. Write the meaning of the words. So here 5 words given. We have to find their meaning words. Okay. First one is often. Often means many times. Often means many times. Bright. Bright means clever. Wild. Wild means without good manners. Wild means without good manners. Sign. Sign means actions or movements. Signs means actions or movement. Fifth one, important. Important means main. Okay, now this work you have to write in your Marigold workbook. Okay, thank you.